Hello YouTube, new camera here. Trying to see if it's working or not. Trying to get used to it. Very tiny body camera I'm holding. Bought the Pyle body camera. Worked great for about 2 years. Made a lot of videos with it. Pyle, P-Y-L-E. It is not waterproof. It says waterproof right there. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. It is not waterproof. Dropped it in the water, 30-40 seconds, it's done. It is not waterproof. Other than that, it worked great. Bought this other camera, it's a lot smaller. Don't know the name of it. Just got it. I'm recording with it. First video I've made with it. We'll see how it turns out, but it's a lot of lightweight. It's smaller. I clamped that on my sun visor as a dash cam. Used it as a body cam. The one I'm holding now, recording with, can also use it as a body cam or a dash cam. Got another video camera here, card reader, all my camera recording, SD cards, everything in this bag. So I just letting everybody know the Pyle body camera is not waterproof. Thank y'all for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. I'll be back with something else. Camping, fishing, ham radio. I'll be doing something.